Hi guys, this is our lesson number 4 from the CorelDRAW training series. In this exercise, we are going to learn how to type text inside predefined shape, how to type text inside the customized shape, and how to manage text inside the letter. So let's get started. I have here a shape that is custom shape. This is call out, and here we have a letter. Let's move these things. Okay, so you can type any text. I have here paragraph text, that is my channel description in Microsoft Word. I will copy this text. For practice purpose, you can type any text in Microsoft Word or even in CorelDRAW, and you can use for this exercise. Control C, and I will go back to the CorelDRAW, and here we need to bring that text. How to do that? We need to create one text box. To create text box, we need to click on the text tool, but this time don't click inside your page, click and drag. Okay, if you want to make a text box, click and drag this way. All right, and Control V from the keyboard, Control V to paste that text. And it is asking maintain fonts and formatting, yes, and then click OK. So you can see that text from the Microsoft Word, it's copied, and I have here in CorelDRAW. To bring this text inside the shape, we need to create a shape. Zoom in, and here we have a circle, ellipse tool, and I can just draw an ellipse. So this is a shape, and if I want to bring this text inside this shape, I can go to the text tool, click, highlight all text, Control C from the keyboard, and bring the mouse here in this circle. Here you need to understand, if you will bring the mouse to the line, you can see that the quadrant appear. Okay, you need to avoid this, and when you will bring mouse around the edge, it shows edge, and then small curved line, it's appear under the cursor. It's mean the text will go around the circle, so we don't need that. We need to bring text inside, so just bring little your cursor inside, and you will see this small rectangular box. When you will see this small rectangular box beside your cursor, you need to click. Once I will click this circular shape, it will be converted into text box, so click it. As you can see, now we have a dotted line inside, and now we are ready to bring that text inside. So Control V to paste that text inside. As you can see, now that text is added here. But sometime once you will add this text inside the shape, you might see the red line around the circle. That is indicating that there is some text, it is outside of the shape and you cannot see. So in that case, you need to reduce the font size, so all the text will be accommodated inside the shape. So right now we have this whole text here. If I want, I can adjust it, highlight this way inside the shape, and we can adjust from both side alignment. We can give it horizontal alignment. You can see that fully justified, that is fine. Okay, so the text is inside the shape. Now another thing, if you want to fill color in the background, this circle you want to fill color in that, so for that you need to choose the color here, but once it is selected, you cannot click directly. If you will click directly on the color, you can see that the text, it's disappear. And it is quite hard to select the text now, because the text and shape both have yellow color. So in that case, I will go back, Control Z. You need to select the shape around carefully. To do that, first deselect, and then click exactly on the line outline, and now you can see that only circle is selected. So if I will click on color, the color will go to the circle, it will not affect the text. Okay, so first thing, you need to deselect the text box and then carefully select the path. So this is how you can select. Now if I want to change the color inside for text, I can click on text tool and highlight this way my text, and choose your desired color, click on the color, left click on any color, so it goes to the text. As you can observe that outside we have a black line, black outline. If I want to remove this line from the shape, I can right click here. Another way, if you want, you can create your own shape like this call out. I can make it. Let's try to create that. Once again, I will use ellipse tool, click and drag to draw an ellipse. Okay, so here we have a ellipse. It's an oval shape and it is standard oval shape. We cannot directly edit this one. So what we can do, we can convert into curve first. Go to the object and here we have option convert to curve. Okay, so once I will click on convert to curve, CorelDRAW will allow us to customize this shape according to our specific need. So now use shape tool, click on shape tool, and anywhere on the path here you can double click to add point. Double click, let's say I double click here, so one point is added. Another point I want to add, so double click here. Now 2 points added. You can see that between these 2 points I will double click again to create another point. Double click. So we have here 3 points, and this point I will move it out. As you can see, now these 2 points from side to side is protecting our path around. Okay, so this is how we made this call out. So that is enough. Click on pick tool, and here we have. Now if I want to fill this call out with the text, same procedure. I have my text. I can select with the text tool. All right, Control C, and same way you need to carefully bring the cursor over this shape. Once you will see small rectangular box with the cursor, you need to direct the cursor, mouse cursor inside little bit, so you will get this. Once you get this rectangular box, click. Now this shape is already converted into text box, and if I will press Ctrl V, I will be able to paste that text here. So you can see that it is here, and I think size, it is pretty fine. We don't need to change, but I will just go here and make alignment fully justify. So this is how it's appear. So this is a call out. If I want, I can fill color inside, but you need to deselect first and click on path outside. Exactly click on the line outside. Now only the shape is selected, and I will fill color. Once I will fill color, it will not affect the text. If I want to change the text color, I can click on text tool and anytime and highlight the text this way and apply your desired color. Now I apply white color, so you can see that the text inside the shape, it is white. And if you want to change again the shape color, still you can select it, carefully select the path around, and you can give any color. So this is how we can make call out, and we can fill with the text. Third thing, here we have a letter. You can see that here we have a letter S, and it is filled with the text. Okay, for this thing we need to type letter first. Let me move this up a little bit, and we are going to type text. Let's type letter, any letter you can type. I will type S in capital. Okay, click on pick tool, and I will choose some thick font because we are going to add text inside. You can apply Arial black or maybe impact. I will use impact, and increase the size of this letter. This is default text. We cannot bring text inside. We can apply outline, but we cannot we cannot use as a text box. So the first thing what I will do, I will remove color from inside and I will apply outline. To remove color from inside, you will left click on this and right click on the black color to apply outline. We apply outline, but it is still default text. To convert this letter into shape, same thing, you need to go to the object, convert to curve. Once I will click on convert to curve, now this letter lost the text control. Okay, we cannot select with the text, it is converted into shape. So once it's converted into shape, same way you can add the text inside. So select the text with the text tool, Control C, and bring the mouse inside. Once you get this square small rectangular box with the cursor, that is the time you need to click, and now it is ready. Control V to add the text inside. So you can see that the text is inside, but this time we get this red line, dotted line. This is indicating that we have more text, but we cannot see, it is not visible because it is out of the shape. So for that thing, what we can do, we can press Control A while your cursor is inside, Control A to select all and reduce the font size. Okay, so you can see that while the text is selected, I can fully justify. So now you can see that the text goes inside, and same control, you need to fill the color same way. First you need to deselect and then click exactly on the line outside and fill it with color. Alright, and now text color I want to change. So click on text tool, highlight the text this way, and I can give my desired color, let's say blue. So the text color, it's been changed. But if you don't want the shape under the text, for all these three you can do the same thing. Okay, I will show you here how to do that. You can select this shape now, the S, it is a shape, press plus to make another copy here, and here I want only text, I don't want shape and outline around. So in that case, what we can do, we can select from outside, don't click inside. You can left click to remove color from inside and right click to remove outline. So now you can see that this is a dotted line, but it will not appear once you will print this one. I can show you the print preview. We'll go to the file, and here we have print preview, and as you can see that here in our print preview, that line, it doesn't appear with that. This is the way we can type text inside the shape. Here we have done text with the circle, with the call out, and with the letter. You can make one text box in CorelDRAW, and you can type any text, or you can copy text from the Microsoft Word file, create text box inside CorelDRAW and paste it here, then try to practice these three methods. Guys, if you like my video, please subscribe my channel and click on the bell button so you will always get notification once I will upload new video. Thank you.